hello friends. So we're going to be running EAA on Phonak hearing aids using the Fonix. So the first thing we want to do is we've opened WinChap. You're going to click hearing aids. You're going to click this white sheet of paper up here. We're going to click ANSI test 03. Great. And then we are going to go into the Phonak target software. We clicked trials and tools at the bottom, measurement settings. We have to connect the hearing aids using NOAA Link Wireless. You're going to click continue. We're going to turn our hearing aid on so it connects. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to select our hearing aid. Press continue. Press continue. I'm going to click full on gain M because we've got an M receiver. Press continue. It's going to transfer the settings into the hearing aid, and then we are going to set up the test box. We're going to calibrate the test box, so we're going to click level. And the test box has been calibrated. So we've got our hearing aid set up on the coupler. We're going to come over here to the test box, and we're going to make that awful noise stop. We're going to set that in there, and we're going to get our hearing aid as close to the white dot as possible. Yay. We're going to close the test box, and we're going to come over to WinChap, and we're going to click start. All right, so we just ran our full-on gain, so we're going to click back into Phonak. We're going to click continue. We're going to click continue. It's going to restore the hearing aid data. I'm going to have to go into the test box, and I'm going to have to turn off, ooh, that was loud, turn off the hearing aid after the data has been restored. I'm waiting for it to turn off. All right, so that's off. Great. So we're going to come back over here. We're going to click close. We got to go back to measurement settings, NOAA Link Wireless, press continue. Press continue. Got to turn the hearing aid back on. I think they'd have a better way to do this by now. All right, the hearing aid is back on. We don't want to move we don't want to move it if we don't have to. Try to avoid moving it. Hearing aid is there. You're going to click OK. Or select the hearing aid, press continue. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to put it in reference test gain mode. So we're going to do that. We want reference test. We've got an M microphone. We're going to hit continue. It's going to transfer the data. We're going to close the test box. And we're going to come back over here. And we're going to go back into ANSI. And we're going to click continue. And it'll measure the reference test gain. All right. So we ran our EAA. And now we're going to click back into Phonak. Click continue. It's going to restore the hearing aid data. And then we can disconnect the hearing aids. And then we're going to open the data sheet. Yay. And then now we're going to go compare the specs, the data sheet to our results in WinChap, and hopefully they meet specs. Before I see if they meet specs, I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to disconnect everything. Make sure the box is closed. I'm going to take the hearing aid off, and then we're just going to turn it off because we're done with it. Yay. And these hearing aids absolutely meet specs. That's a sleigh for us. And the tolerance sheet is located in 1105 right here in case you're wondering. And that's how you run EAA for Phonak on the Fonix.